Welcome friends to my CTech and Science channel, and today I am talking about if you have Moto G5s Plus phone and in the time of flashing you have already bricked your phone in the wrong flashing technique or different types of different kinds of ROM, different countries ROM, then your device can be bricked permanently or temporarily. Today, like this phone, this is Moto G5s Plus. I'm trying to start, but this is not starting. But kindly note that if your device start in fast boot mode, remember it, this is not a hard beat. It is a soft beat and it can be recovered and it can be revived as previously. Always you choose the latest version of ROM in the time of flashing. So let's go the technique of ROM flashing today, what I am talking about it. I think this is soft bricked because the phone is on in fast boot but not on in power menu. I want to show you the details flashing technique and revive technique after a short intro.
If you don't have subscription earlier, please go to the search box and write CTech and Science and enter here, and you see this my channel and subscribe. After subscription, you can touch the middle button to see my videos anytime.
With the latest version of June patch ROM, which is for Indian version because my phone belongs to India. This is connected with my computer. My phone is placed here and you are clearly watching this. Already I downloaded the latest version of ROM which I captured before this, and I already installed minimal ADB and fast boot in my computer. The zip ROM file I already downloaded the latest version of the ROM and I already unzip and all the file copied to the minimal ADB fastboot root folder. Folder means in the file location of the minimal ADB. This is the all ROM files and folders here copied. Run as administrator the minimal ADB and click yes. Before that you can make a .dat file, or in this command window you can copy and paste maximum command in one type or one by one. When needed, you please enter after the command.
Now you can copy the command and paste here like me and enter.
You can skip fastboot erase modem 1, fastboot erase modem set 2. If you don't have EFS backup, you need to skip these two commands. If you want to downgrade, please remember that
It will be caused
IMEI 0. So don't downgrade, always upgrade. And always choose the latest version of ROM when you want to flash. If after unlock your bootloader and even if you relocked it, but if your IMEI is 0, then after bootloader unlock always you should back up your IMEI. If you don't have IMEI or EFS backup, EFS or IMEI backup is for individual phone, individual IMEI number is written there. If you don't have this and if you lost your IMEI, please flash TWRP recovery and try Pixel Experience .os or any other custom ROM with this TWRP custom recovery, and when your signal is back, then you don't forget to take a EFS backup. This is very important file. You should take a backup in your Google Drive or Microsoft Drive, which is very helpful in this near future for your phone. If you know the computer or this flashing technique better than me, you can skip and see this video. My phone is rebooting. By this power menu, I could not do this because my phone is already almost dead. And by this latest ROM, I can revive.
After flashing the ROM, the startup time may be longer than as usual. Wow, see my brick phone is starting up successfully.
See that my tower has back and my phone is also locked. Now I am eligible for all types of update and upgrade given by Motorola.